Bayraktar KIZILELMA UCAV passed today, an essential milestone at the test flight. The UCAV retracted landing gears into the inner bay. KIZILELMA performed its maiden flight in December 2022 and has taken part in 4 tests until today. Today's test showed the company's trust in UCAV. KIZILELMA flight with retracted landing gear shows that the systems function well. There is no suspicion about lowering the landing gear on landing. Retracting the gear also means the platform will fly on its designed structure. The maneuverability, airflow and all other tests can be conducted step by step.